going to unbox all as you did such well, and as you did so much wellness to me, I am going to give you a bonus to Pokemon VIPs. And these ones are sturdier than the normal paper ones, which means they are waterproof. So let's start with these. So let's start with this one. I feel this has a lucky charmness. We are going to unwrap it in an unusual way. Oh, this feels fancy. It's Buzzwole. See guys, this is a Buzzwole. Now next one. First throw this away. And wait guys, before I unbox this pack, remember guys, just smash it down, like and subscribe and like like that. Thank you guys. So the second pack. Oh, I feel it's gonna be a Bulbasaur, Blastoise or something good. It's Sizer. So these are our cards. Okay guys, so starting with who? You! I love you! I'll take the you guys. Guys, remember I don't love anybody except you guys. But 1 minute I need to pause as it's actually kind of hard going. Okay guys, so after I work with the cutters and we cut it down, so now these are 100% original in the 19 cards. See, take a look. It's written here. 90s. These are remade from Uno as for 50 years. So now let's unbox it. Oh, I feel it nice. Instructions. Amazing smells of instructions. And now for your absence, I am a master in Uno, so I do not need it. So now let's open these bad boys off. 1 minute guys. It happened guys. Even when I did not even need a cutter. Like last time. To open these shutters up. Yeah. What the? Yeah, finally they came off. Ooh, that was smooth. Guys, take a look at these cards. Uno. Now let's see these cards. At least let's see these cards. If you have opened half of it, you should open the entire thing. Ooh, that was smooth. Ooh, this is also smooth. And everyone, listen up. You should also buy these cards for your family as it is also very interesting for everyone to play. See guys, take a look, amazing. So now this is our first set of cards, which I'm going to keep right here. Now second. Satisfying. Oh guys, 1 sec. Okay, so this is our first. Next seat. Oh my god, this is going to be fancy. I've been wanting to unbox this. I've been watching so many videos of unboxing this, and I got it. So satisfying and amazing to open. Oh my god, this is going to be the best wish. Satisfying. Oh ho ho ho. Take a look, guys. Oh my god. My god, guys. These are just way too cool cards. So this is our first set. And we can't leave the second set alone. Let's open you up as well. Wow, automatic open. Very fantasy to the Royal Pramit toy world. Dustbin. Sorry, room. Wild, 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 wild. Okay, guys, this is something interesting. This is a card which makes you make your own rules. And this is draw 4, means you have to draw 4 cards. These are these cards. And this card is also different. Shuffle hands. 1 minute, I don't know about this as I watched a tutorial before as I had a fake Uno. But I did not show you that, guys. But shuffle hands card, when you play this card, everyone collect every card from each player's hand, shuffle all the cards together and deal them back to each player. Means like you have to take everyone's cards back and then you have to give everyone the same cards back. You have to shuffle them and give it back to them. 7 each. Amazing! Okay, so this is the third piece. Okay guys, so technical difficulties as it's not opening, it opened finally. Oh my god, it's another jackpot! Another way again. Oh, I'm so happy today. And this stuff has 2 sides, dark side and light side. I might make a video of how to play this game. See guys. Oh no. This is one side and this is the other. One side done. Second side. First throw away the trash. I think our place is getting piled up as we have been having such a nice load together, guys. I'm seriously happy, so good. I'm seriously so happy, guys, today as we have been together since so long and now we are making videos together. And thank you guys for being our audience. Is it? Thank you guys for being our audience so much. I appreciate it too much, guys. So this is the third one done. Okay, so now we are done with the Uno flip as well. So now I think our table is getting a bit crowded. So let's start with this last one quick. Which is Uno cricket. It's opened. I don't know that, but it's okay. It's about the cards, not about the openings. I can't hold it, guys. It's impossible. Okay, so these are, I did half and now we get to see it. Now this is the second half. Oh my. the back. Hard to hold, but okay, it's all for you guys. So now this is the end of the video. If you love this video, just subscribe